Hey there, I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Today in this video, I like to share you guys how to I shoot my YouTube overhead video with a phone. So let's talk about the lighting setup. As you can see that I am using ring light for my main light, and you also turn on all the light in the room to get a more lighting. And as you can see that I am using normal S10 with a ring light. And install my phone I am using this type of gorilla pot, and at the same time you also use mobile S10. If you guys don't have any ring light and mobile S10, you can use this type of gorilla pot to take a better shot. So now talk about the decks. I am using some colorful art paper. Use this type of art paper, your decks look like so attractive and professional. And at the same time you also use some light and showcase to presentation your decks. Next, talk about the audio. I am using Boya M1 microphone, and this is the best for the beginner, and this is also a budget friendly. And at the same time you also use this microphone with your DSLR and mobile phone. Next, talk about the editing. I am using Filmora 9 to edit my video. And how do I edit my video? Full tutorial video coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Don't miss the video. Okay, this is all about how to I shoot my YouTube overhead video. And by the way, I am not an expert to make these types of video. I am just sharing how to I shoot my overhead video. Okay, this is all about today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.